So I really considered not even taking the camera with me right now today. But I know if I don't take it, something really, really good will happen. Now, I didn't take the camera when I went to the party last night at Ace's after 8 because I want to just speak a little bit about sometimes live in the moment. Don't be carried away with social media all the time. Yes, enjoy it, use it. But part of self-care is knowing when to take a break. Take a break from the job. We as Americans, especially boomers and us older folk, we don't like to take a break. We work too hard, we volunteer too hard, and sometimes just you need to take a break. Remind yourself. All right, let's see what happens today. I'm seeing a lot of groovy people walking around, and I don't see them every day. They're not from the neighborhood especially. So one of them, and I don't film everybody because some people don't want to have a camera stuck in their face, but they said down at the convention center there might be a groovy event. So I'm gonna go look. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't. I have my cigar. I'm gonna have a quiet day. I'm not looking for content today because I have a lot that I haven't edited yet, but I'm gonna go down and I need my walk before it rains. So I'm gonna go to the convention center and see what's happening. These union people have not been working on Saturday. So I'm thinking that the deadline for the park is getting to the point where they're having to work weekends. The gate's open. I'm not gonna sneak in. I know the gate's not open for me, but I am gonna get a picture. All right, it's coming right along. Well, I am the best chef in Johnstown.
Whatever. I got the title right in the window.
For all my Tampa buddies, this is Bill.
Your friend from Boston.
And he's got his lobster shirt on. And we're at the Firehouse here. Firehouse Pub, Jimmy T's. And they have a place in Tampa. What's it called?
Voodoo Lounge.
So Voodoo Lounge is their place in Tampa. So these are my Tampa people here. You gotta have, they're everywhere. You can find a tampon somewhere around somewhere. If there's an opportunity to be had in catering, in beer and food, entertainment.
There it is.
We get tired of that hot weather down there. We gotta get a break. All right.
Pleasure to meet you, man.
Good to see you again.
And have some good.
This is what my nonprofit keeps working to do. Keep things clean and tidy. It's a battle every day. The breeze is picking up nice. I like that. I really want to go to Betty's, but I'm kind of waiting until my son Jace gets here. It's kind of a gray day. The rain is coming. But there's some blue sky. I'm enjoying my walk. Two main indoor event centers are the hockey stadium here, First Summit Arena. They have wrestling, hockey, minor league hockey, of course. I actually think it's fun to go to high school and college and semi-pro and minor league hockey games. First time I moved here a long while back, I didn't know a soul. I had exactly one friend to hang around with down here who was from Florida, and we were short of cash and we were looking something to do. It was around 4th of July, Thunder in the Valley, 4th of July, so the town was real busy. So we volunteered here for the Johnstown Symphony Orchestra, and that was the first time I got to hear the orchestra play, the patriotic 4th of July music. And a few days later, I was at the mall and I saw the conductor, and I didn't even recognize him, honestly, but he said, "Hey, thanks for volunteering." He remembered me. As busy as he was running the orchestra and conducting, he remembered me volunteering to do some ushering with the handicapped people in the seating and things. Nothing hard, simple work. And I've never forgotten that, and I really support him and the orchestra because they're good and they're very, very kind and they're appreciative to the community and to people who help out. I've been calling this the Convention Center because it does say Frank J. Pasquarella Conference Center, but they call this the War Memorial. And I've been hearing from people that there might be something going on here. I see motorcycles, that's a good sign. There was a billiards tournament that I did not film and report on. All right, let's investigate. This is the billiard tournaments, and there's supposed to be a demonstration, trick shots going on, so let's investigate and get permission.
I'm hitting it massive enough that it should go.
You can get your pool cues worked over. Lathe that you do pool cues on? So you take a tree and turn it into a pool cue?
Sometimes a shrub.
Do you want to be on camera?
I don't care. You can do whatever you want.
All right. I have never seen a pool cue made. I've never seen it.
Now there's right there. I made every one of them.
And what do you sell something like this for? This is a professional pool stick, right?
Yeah. Well, it's a higher quality stick. Yes.
What do you charge?
They start out around $650 and go all the way. I build them up to $5,000.
Wow.
That's not even high as some of the other professionals go.
So if I went and got one at a thrift store and I brought it, you could tell me if it was worth what I paid for it.
More than likely.
All right. And it's Miller's Custom Cues?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. And you can gamble. I'm sure that they're gambling on the pool, whether it's, sanctioned or unsanctioned, but that's okay. Some of the main games are up on the big screen so you can watch. See what kind of food they're serving. She can get a drink. There's the menu. I could get a free coffee, but I don't need a free coffee. Big trophy gets champagne and, there's smaller prizes. Here's our Laurel Highlands title holder, Jack and Jill, champions. Stu and Brian Leon. Of course, there's merch. It's really fun and it's free to watch. You can come down to the Pasquarella Conference Center and watch the pool tournament. Why they call it the War Memorial. The War Memorial is actually on the other side of the street from the conference center. It's a famous Congressman, John P. Murtha. Actually, the raindrops are coming now. I wonder if I get to enjoy my cigar before it rains or not. So I had a good time making my rounds around, and I visited the pool tournament, and I'm going to smoke my cigar here, and I've got a cover, so let it rain. I'll enjoy the rain.
Coming down just when I want to go shopping.
With Marisol from Colombia.
Marisol.
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 Mia mija.
Marisol.
Marisol. All right, so please like and subscribe, and have a great day, friends.